one more thing is any pain abdomen with vomitings and pain in the whole abdomen that is radiating to the right of the abdomen, that is a sign and symptoms of appendicitis. Okay, that time they should contact doctor for the to rule out any appendicitis. And one more thing, any young girl or old age, when they have this lump in the breast, so it might be like benign lesions and in the young patients, and it is malignant lesions in the old patients. So it is better, any lumps in the breast, they should contact a doctor, and they should be investigated for that. And one more thing, any abnormal swellings in the neck. So any swellings in the neck which was not there, and suddenly you start observing some neck swellings, it might be lymph nodes, it can be thyroid, it can be anything like in the congenital problems, cyst in the neck, anything. So that has to be shown to the doctor for the treatment. After the hemorrhoid surgeries, the patient will be discharged in 1 or 2 days. There are different methods of doing hemorrhoidectomies. So 1 or 2 days they will get discharged, and within 1 week he will become normal. Only thing is, he has to make his stool clear. He should not have any further constipation and all, for in pain and all. So like that, recovery is fast when he take precautions for hemorrhoids, or not passing hard stool for 2 to 3 weeks, so that the whole healing will be faster and he'll feel better. And about the laparoscopic surgeries, like appendicitis and gallbladder surgeries, after the surgery, recovery is very fast. In 1 or 2 days the patient will be discharged, and in 4 to 5 days he can go to the normal work after the appendicitis, gallbladder surgeries. So that is the advantage of laparoscopic surgeries. And one more thing is, we are doing especially for obesity, we are doing bypass surgeries to reduce the weight of the person. Okay, so that is advance we are doing here. So that is one more good results after the surgery. Okay, the patient will reduce his weight about 50 to 60% of his overweight within 6 months. Okay, so that is one for obesity surgeries. For more information, you can visit on www.medicityhospitals.com.